But hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. This video is going to be recorded over a couple of days because I'm going to have to let these dry. What I am going to try to do is, I've got two pieces of photo paper here that are not blank on the back, but they got the little tiny thing there. And I got a silicone mat. Now, you know what I found out? The shiny side of this paper sticks to it very well, okay? So, it'll keep it flat. I like that part, okay? What I'm going to do is on one I'm going to do some fine line resist with this pen. Let me see, let me bring it up, okay? And on this one, now I couldn't find the one in the regular gloss, so I'm going to use the super gloss Podge. I like what the masking fluid does. So I don't know what I'm going to call this. I don't even know, I'm probably just going to give it to one of my kids. or grandkids. But anyway, there you have it. Masking fluid works really good. I saw somebody else do this, and I don't know, maybe I used the wrong Mod Podge, I don't know. So, I mean, it's gonna be put in the scrap pile. Anyway, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Okay. Click the subscribe. Hit the little bell for the notifications. Even if you are a subscriber, hit that little bell again because YouTube changed something. Leave me a comment down below telling me what you think about it. And I love the fluid arts right out of you guys. So all I can say is bye for now.